and welcome. I'm Russell Mortlock with the Mortlock Real Estate Group, and today on our featured condos, we got the Discovery Bay Resort. Discovery Bay Resort offers 3 different 6-story buildings that surround the landscape of the courtyard. These condos come in 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, offering a variety of choices for the consumer. The single best feature of this complex is it's one of the only Airbnb-able condo complexes in Kelowna, giving massive returns for investors who accompany their guests with this resort-style living. The Discovery Bay Resort offers some amazing amenities for its guests and residents. The 2 outdoor pools make it a great feature for Airbnb. The Discovery Bay Resort also has a few different townhouses that sit directly beachfront in this resort. One of the most coolest features of this complex is the ability to get a boat slip. Don't worry about having to take your boat in and out of the water. You're just able to come and park it right at your front door. The Discovery Bay Resort is a very unique complex and offers many different things for primary residents to the investor that's looking to take advantage of that Airbnb market here in Kelowna. If you're interested in what the potential returns are, give me a call today.